Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this very edgy Valentine's Day look, and I love it. Maybe not what I did here with my hair, because I look like a penis or I don't know, a turtle. But anyways, this is the look we're going for today, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off by doing my brows, and as usual I'm taking the Paradise Pomade Extatic and I'm filling in my brows with this. And now I'm taking the Milessis Active Eyelight Concealer from Emite Makeup, and I will be putting this on my lids as a primer. And I'm taking the sponge from Hallberg Cosmetics to blend this in. Now I'm taking the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place, and I will be using the color Sokoto and putting this all over my lid. Just pack it on there. Next step is blending this out, so I'm just taking a fluffier brush and I will be starting to blend it out. The next step will be foundation, so I am mixing the Milani Conceal+Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer and the NYX Total Control Draw foundation. Going back in with the Milessis Active Eyelight Concealer. And now I'm taking the Lumene Sheer Finish Loose Powder. And now I'm going back in with the color Sokoto, and I'm putting this underneath my bottom lash line as well. Now I am taking the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I will be taking this color and I will be putting this on the inner corner. It's so pretty. And next I will be applying mascara, and I am using the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame. Next I will be taking the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal. And I will be taking the Big Eyes liner from Maybelline and fill in my waterline. And now I'm going in with the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics, as I usually do. And just like last time, taking Mafe and Cigar to contour or bronze my face. And for blush, I am taking the color Pinwheel. And for highlight, I think I'll be mixing the color Virgio and Milky Way. Like so. And for lips, I will be taking the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Alien. So this, you guys, is it, I think. I might put on some lashes, but I'll see you in a second. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I did apply some false lashes, but these are like 100 years old, so I have no idea what they are. But anyways, this is the Edgy Valentine's look, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you want to see next time. And I'll see you then. Bye!